The purpose of this video is to demonstrate the capabilities of O'Shea Plumbing's drain camera and pipe locating equipment. Right now we're just going to feed our drain camera in through this cast iron inspection opening, which I'll just remove now. This is just standard 100mm diameter sewer, same sort of size in any domestic or most domestic houses. Now, we generally use this equipment to diagnose any persistent faults with a drain. Drain might be continually blocking up. Generally we find a blockage is caused by tree root, which might be entering the pipe from either a crack or a faulty joint in the pipe. As you can see in the top right hand corner of the screen, we've got a distance counter which shows us where how far down the drain our cable is. We can also use the locating beacon that's built into the camera head and our locating equipment to pick up on the signal, and we can locate where the camera head is at all times from above ground. You can see above us an inspection opening right now. What we're coming up to now is a section of pipe that we cleared with O'Shea Plumbing's water jet machine approximately 6 months ago. As you can see, the tree root has started to regenerate again in the pipe. So this blockage may reoccur again in anywhere from about 6 to 12 months. There might be problems here again. So the options would be to repair the pipe. We might be able to dig it up and replace the section of pipe that's giving trouble. Otherwise it could be relined, or otherwise we could just continually come out every 6 to 12 months and run our water jet machine through to maintain it and keep it clear.